Alright guys, day 10. It is raining. I've got my raincoat on, but we're here to get it done. 30 days, 1.5 miles on the mini sled with 45 pounds. Rain or shine, here we are. Let's go. Looks like I'm about to go swimming. Sometimes you just gotta do it. When you put your mind to something and you say, hey, I'm gonna do 30 days of this, you just do it. It's not about doing the workout, it's like mentally making yourself do it. Alright guys, day 10 is done in the rain, but I finished 10 seconds faster than I did yesterday, so making progress every day. Today felt really good, really good. The last few days have been rough, like day 5, 6, 7 was hard. My body was hurting, my mental, like I just was like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. But today's day 10 and I feel really good. And sometimes when you run into obstacles, like it's raining, which it wasn't raining that hard, but it's raining, like it makes it harder, but you mentally have to make the decision to say, hey, I'm going to do this. I'm going to keep going because I set a goal of pulling the sled for 30 days straight and I'm going to do it. And when you accomplish it, it's like, that's pretty cool. So I don't know, feeling really good and excited about everything. I feel really good, so go do something hard today. I'll see you tomorrow.